Alright. We're coming up to the required monthly test of the emergency alert system. All the radio stations and the televisions, will the radios go off?
Watch now on EAS Kids. Carl the Collector wants to know what's in your collection.
I love my nightmares. I think I love million shows. I'm ready to move now.
Hit music station
106.3
KFRX.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Trying to come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You can do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now, damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool. You on Sunset? I'm about to slide, okay. I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get around my family. Making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds.
Here we go.
Throw up the sex in
Got it. Oh, EAS. EAS. Mommy, Daddy, come here. EAS. Come here.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Nebraska beginning at 9:59 a.m. and ending at 11:59 a.m. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations and cable systems of Nebraska in cooperation with the FCC and other government authorities. Equipment is being tested that can quickly provide warnings during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, official information, news, or instructions would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Okay. Okay?
Yeah.
Now let's do all the TV stations. There you go. A required monthly test.
Yeah?
Here we go.
Oh, not again.
Here we go, Sondora.
I'm not going to hurt you.
Now we'll be EAS on South Park.
It is over for you, Missy. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We're so sorry about this, Miss Cartman. Oh no, thank you so much for your time.
It really won't happen again.
You're very sweet. Thank you again. Come on, Muffet.
Okay, Mammy. Man. Man, it's almost time for school to start and Wendy still isn't here.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I mean, I showed up.
Where is she? How come Wendy's not showing up for the fight? Here she comes.
What's up, Wendy? I thought we were meeting early to fight.
You know I can't fight you.
Why not, you chicken?
I can't fight you because you came crying to my house last night with your mom. Yeah, did you come up with that one on your own?
I ain't frontin', dog. Let's do this. Let's do it right now, yo.
Come on, Wendy, kick his ass. I can't. God damn it. She chickened out.
Told you guys.
I'm glad that's over with.
Yeah, I guess you dodged a bullet, Galahad. I always knew deep down that Wendy didn't have any balls. And so, we must all recycle. Every day. Recycling is important, and it will save our planet. Earth. The end.
Very nice, Clyde. Okay, we have time for one more report before recess. Who'd like to go? Okay, Eric.
Thank you. My report today is on breast cancer awareness.
With the car solve the call the car of the collector with the monthly test of the emergency alert system.
I know how you feel. You do? Yes, something similar happened.
Here we go. It's on South Park.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Nebraska at 9:59 am on November 19th, 2024, effective until 11:59 am. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations and cable systems of Nebraska in cooperation with the FCC and other government authorities. Equipment is being tested that can quickly provide warnings during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, official information, news, or instructions would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, all done.
Yep.
That's it, all done, Jeffrey.
That's it for the monthly test.
Okay, bye-bye.
We'll see you on the weekly test at 11:15 tomorrow on Wednesday. We'll keep your weather radios on.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, please, I'm busy.
What do you say now in the video?
Okay, that's it
That's it for the
day.
monthly.
Monthly test.
Stay tuned for the weekly
Weekly test.
at 11:15.
PM.
I mean AM.
AM.
On the NOAA Weather Radio. On the NOAA Weather Radio. All Hazards Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System.
Okay.
To keep the weather alerts on.
Yeah.
For every Wednesdays. For like to learn to Paul voice. And so that means said, we got EAS number 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16.
Yes.
We got 16 EAS alerts.
Yes, okay. Come on, please.
And what do you say now in the video? What do you say now in the video?
I don't know.
Say that's
That's it.
for the monthly test.
Monthly test.
Say
That's it.
wave. Or you can say bye.
Bye.